There's a good strategy for us today, and it can make us a lot of money. It's going to involve TikTok, but you don't have to have your own TikTok. I'm going to explain everything step by step, so make sure to follow, and the money is going to come. Hit subscribe and let's go. Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, click on download here, and then just go and get that money passively. We don't need anything for this, okay? You can live anywhere in the world. Don't need any social media accounts, you don't need followers, and you don't need money. It's free. All you need is the ability to copy this link of this TikTok, and you're setting yourself up for a huge money income. So first of all, I can tell you that this Reddit stories on TikTok, they're making huge amounts of money. Just take a look at this, guys. 3.7 million followers, and they have a lot of likes, and you can see that all of their videos have a lot of views, guys. But what they're doing is they just take some stories from Reddit. They just scroll through Reddit and they just find interesting videos and interesting stories, interesting comments, and they utilize that on TikTok. So they don't come up with their own ideas. They just take the ideas from here, from this beautiful Reddit platform, and of course everybody knows that Reddit has a lot of traffic, so 1.7 billion people each month on Reddit, so it's a good source of content that we can use, and of course make money with it. Now, you don't have to make money off of TikTok. In fact, you don't even have to do that. You don't even have to try. All that you need are these views, okay? You can see that these guys have a lot of views, and I can even show you some smaller ones. You can go over and you can just search for TikTok. You can just search for Reddit stories, and you can see that some of these people are already doing that. So you can just click on Reddit stories, and you can, for example, find this channel. These guys are having a lot less followers, but you can see a lot of views still. And for example, these guys, I don't know this Reddit, this one has only 21k followers, but just take a look at the views, guys. 1.2 million views on this one. So you can see that a lot of people are doing this, and the way they get the money, well, they include something else in those videos. They include some affiliate links. I'm gonna tell you everything about this. What is good for us is that TikTok has even more total visits than Reddit.com, 1.8 billion. And the cool thing about TikTok is that you don't even have to have a lot of followers to get a lot of views, because they don't use the same algorithm like these other social media platforms are. You can get a lot of views, and views are all that we need to get the money today. So in order to get those views, what these people are doing is that they just catch these like nice ideas from Reddit, and they get it for free, of course, and they just turn that into a video. This is like maybe the most easiest way to make money, guys. You don't even have to go to Reddit to scroll through a web page. You can just type in the Google search bar best Reddit stories, okay? And you will find a lot of these stories, okay? You will find like the 20 craziest Reddit stories. You will find like 12 of the most fascinating subreddits for mostly true stories, and you can just go and you can get these links, okay? So you can go, for example, you can see this subreddit, Am I the Asshole? And you will find a lot of these stories, okay? And now you just gotta turn these into videos, and I have a tool for that as well. So you can just do a bit of a research, find something that you like, maybe these confessions are good, and then just find something which is really interesting to you. For example, I don't know, this one, I stole money from my classmate's school bag in 2nd grade. Kid, you know. So you can just read a bit about this and then go over to Google and then just type in Veed.io. Okay, so Veed.io. This is the tool which is going to make the video out of that. Okay, so anyone can make a great video with this one. Click on create your first video and you will be inside of this editor. Okay, and this is in your browser. Okay, you don't have to download anything at all. And we have actually seen that these Reddit stories have some kind of a video background, some stock image. This is like a Minecraft footage, but not all of them use that. They can use just some simple backgrounds. You can use some simple footage for it, and for example, Veed.io gives gives you some stock videos, as you can see right here. So you can choose whatever you want. Maybe you can choose this one. You can just let it run, or maybe you can find something online. You can use this website, which is called pexels.com. You can go over to videos and you can download each one of these. These are royalty free, so you don't have to pay for them. But in the end, whichever one you choose, you now have a background. Now you want to go click on subtitles. Click on subtitles, click on manual subtitles, click on that, choose add subtitles, and then just, for example, copy one paragraph of this. You go paragraph by paragraph, paste that in here, click on paste, and then you can just scale this so it's not a lot bigger than this video, okay? So it looks nice like now, just the way it is. And now what you want to do, you want to turn this text, this subtitle, into a voiceover, okay? To do that, just go over to this audio section, click on voiceover, and again, just copy this one and go search for video. Now, this is with W, okay? Video.co. This is gonna create your voiceover for free, okay? So you can just click on try it free. This is a free tool, of course, or you can just use this one on video. So v.io has text-to-speech as well. You can choose male or female, and you can just paste that text in here, okay? So you can just preview that, add to project, and now you can see how this looks like. So you can just play it right now. And now, of course, you just export that. Click on export and then go back to TikTok, to your account, and then just upload those videos. Now remember, you must upload on a constant basis, so you need to be consistent, okay? Try to make one of these each day, and it's gonna take like 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes for each one of those videos. Post each day until you get a lot of these views, and that's not gonna take long. And of course, now what you gotta do is you gotta go to an affiliate website, which is, for example, Digistore24. You can as well use ClickBank or something like that, but whichever one you choose, just find something which is like marketplace, so you can check the products, and then just choose the category. So choose something which is a digital product or something like that, and maybe some fashion or something. But it is just important that you put that link in the description of each one of your videos and change the products on each one of these videos. And trust me, guys, there's going to be a lot of people who are going to click on it, okay? There's going to be a lot of people, as you can see, a lot of views. So just imagine that, I don't know, maybe 1/3 of all of these views go and convert to sales. Now, that's going to be a lot of money. You have a lot of these products on Digistore24 and these other affiliate websites, and you have the whole help for free from this v.io. Just remember that you have endless supply of content on reddit.com, and you can always find something interesting in these. Of course, you can just use this one. You can see all of these subreddits which are really popular. They're all gathered here on this website, so you can just go and you can just take the content from there. Reddit is really good when it comes to that. It has a lot of traffic, and you can see, guys, everything is working perfectly. So it's a simple strategy. It only requires from you some time to invest, and the money is gonna be passive from now on. Just take that action, guys, and I'll catch you later.